How to fix Instagram reply, edit, forward, sticker, and pan option not showing in your messages. So if these features are missing on your account, just follow along step by step to get everything working again. All right, let's dive in. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Normally, when you tap and hold a message, you should see options like reply, edit, copy, forward, or unsend. But right now, the app only shows reactions, and this is happening on both sent and received messages. There's no official update or announcement from Instagram, so it does seem to be a bug on their end. To help speed up a fix, you can report the issue directly from the app. Go back and tap on your profile picture in the bottom corner, then hit the 3 lines at the top. Scroll all the way down and tap Help, then select Report a Problem. Tap Report a Problem, choose Include and Continue, and now you can write a quick message to Instagram. You can type something like, "Hi, Instagram support team. In my Instagram messages, the reply, edit, forward, add sticker, and pin options are not showing in my messages. Please help me fix this problem as soon as possible." Once you finish typing, go ahead and send the report. Now here's the important part. While we wait for Instagram to fix this issue, there is a simple workaround you can use. All you need to do is log into your Instagram account through a browser, either on your mobile phone or on your computer. Once you're logged in, tap on the message, then click the 3 dots next to it. From there, you'll be able to reply, copy, or unsend your messages normally. If you have access to Instagram Lite, that works too. Just long press the message and you'll see the options appear like they usually do on the main app. And that's it. Until Instagram fixes this glitch, using the browser version or Instagram Lite is the best way to edit, copy, or unsend your messages. I'll keep you updated if anything changes, so be sure to subscribe for more quick fixes and updates.